Imagine a world where everyone believes EVs are the future, but one company dares to challenge that notion. Koenigsegg CEO just unveiled a revolutionary engine that's shaking the very foundation of the automotive industry. He argues that batteries and electric motors aren't the only path forward. There's another way, smarter, more powerful, and capable of rivaling EVs on both performance and range. That way is their new creation, the dark matter JRA engine. This isn't just any engine. Combined with cutting-edge electric technology, it powers the Gamarra hypercar, proving that hybrids can outperform even the most advanced EV. While the rest of the industry relies solely on batteries, Koenigsegg is showing that the future might be hybrid and the possibilities are limitless. So, will dark matter change the EV race forever? Or is it just another high-tech experiment? Stay tuned to the end. You won't believe what's coming. And don't forget to subscribe so you're the first to see these groundbreaking updates. The Koenigsegg story, the name Koenigsegg, is synonymous with engineering marvels. Founded in 1994 by Christian von Koenigsegg. The company was born from a dream to create the fastest, most advanced supercars in the world. At the time, giants like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and McLaren dominated, but Christian believed determination could break boundaries, starting with a small garage and a tiny team. Koenigsegg faced every obstacle imaginable: funding crises, technical hurdles, and intense market pressure. Yet they never gave up. Gradually, their prototypes became models renowned for speed, technology, and innovation. Today, Koenigsegg is celebrated not just for cars, but for engineering feats that redefine the possible. Every Koenigsegg car is unique lightweight carbon fiber, mind-blowing acceleration, technology other brands couldn't imagine. They aren't just toys for the rich, they're benchmarks for the entire industry. Challenging the evenly future, the world has embraced EVs as the inevitable future. Tesla, BYD, and others claim gasoline engines are doomed. But Koenigsegg CEO sees things differently. EVs are important, but not the whole story. Batteries require rare earth metals. Charging infrastructure isn't universal. Long-distance travel and continuous power remain major challenges. Christian von Koenigsegg believes the solution lies in hybrid technology, combining engines and electric power to create a smarter, more sustainable alternative. This is where the dark matter engine comes in. Small, lightweight, yet astonishingly powerful. It can operate alone or in perfect synergy with an EV battery. It's a hybrid designed to challenge EVs directly. The dark matter engine, small but mighty, the dark matter engine defies expectations. Compact, yet powerful. It maximizes space, reduces weight, and produces incredible horsepower. Its efficiency and heat management minimize energy loss. While advanced AI monitors performance in real time, paired with an electric motor, the engine delivers seamless transitions between pure electric driving and combustion power. The result? Long-range capabilities, extreme speed, and zero-range anxiety. Even if the battery runs out, the engine keeps the car going, making long journeys effortless. Its weight minimal, its performance maximal. This is why it's being hailed as a masterpiece of engineering and a potential game-changer for the entire industry. The Gamarra hybrid perfection, the Gamarra hypercar, isn't just fast, it's revolutionary. The dark matter engine works with 3 electric motors, one front to rear, to deliver thousands of horsepower, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2 seconds. Top speeds above 400 kilometers per hour. This is rocket-level performance. But speed isn't the only advantage. The hybrid setup allows pure EV driving for short trips and long-range capability for extended journeys over 1,000 kilometers without stopping. Comfort and luxury. It's a 4-seater hypercar with futuristic design, AI-assisted driving, and advanced safety systems. Everyday usability meets supercar performance. How Koenigsegg achieved this? The secret lies in innovation. Advanced materials like carbon fiber keep the engine light but durable. Optimized cylinder design maximizes power output from minimal fuel. AI-driven management ensures peak efficiency and seamless hybrid integration. The engine's power-to-weight ratio is unmatched. Typically, small engines sacrifice output, but not here. Koenigsegg proves that compact design can coexist with extreme performance. Global impact. The dark matter engine is more than a car component. It's a wake-up call for the automotive world. Tesla, BYD, Toyota, Volkswagen, and others must now consider hybrid alternatives. Tesla may have to rethink its EV-only strategy. BYD, the world's largest EV manufacturer, faces pressure to innovate. Toyota and Honda get confirmation that hybrids are a viable future. European and American markets may quickly embrace this hybrid model, blending performance with practicality. It even addresses a critical EV limitation: charging infrastructure. Long trips, scarce charging stations. No problem, the dark matter hybrid bridges the gap. Why it matters: EVs offer smooth, silent driving, but often lack range, power, and environmental balance. The dark matter hybrid delivers long range without constant charging, high performance and thrilling engine sound, reduced environmental impact compared to battery-only vehicles. This is more than a machine. It's a new direction for the auto industry. The future. The question now is simple. Will the dark matter engine redefine the automotive landscape, or will it remain a high-tech experiment? One thing is clear: Christian von Koenigsegg has shown the world that true innovation comes from forging your own path, not following the crowd. The Gamarra hypercar is just the beginning. The dark matter engine could ignite a hybrid revolution, balancing batteries and combustion for a sustainable, thrilling, and practical automotive future. Do you think the dark matter engine can truly surpass EV soar? Is it just an experiment? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the future of cars. Koenigsegg's journey began in 1994, when Christian von Koenigsegg dreamed of creating the fastest, most advanced supercars, competing against giants like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and McLaren. He started with a tiny garage, limited funding, and a small team. Through sheer determination, Koenigsegg built cars that weren't just fast, they were technological marvels. Carbon fiber bodies, record-breaking acceleration, and innovation beyond imagination made Koenigsegg a benchmark for the industry, challenging the EV-only future the world has embraced. EVs, Tesla, BYD, and others claim gasoline engines are obsolete. But Koenigsegg sees things differently. Batteries are limited by rare earth metals. Charging infrastructure isn't everywhere. Long trips remain a challenge. Christian believes the solution lies in hybrid technology, combining a compact engine with electric power for efficiency, performance, and sustainability. The result? The dark matter engine, small, light, and powerful, designed to complement an EV battery or operate on its own. The dark matter engine, why is it revolutionary? Compact but powerful, smaller than conventional engines, yet capable of record-breaking output. Highly efficient, less energy loss to heat and friction, AI managed in real time. Hybrid synergy combines seamlessly with electric motors, switching between electric and combustion without you noticing. Long range solves the biggest EV problem: range anxiety. Even if the battery dies, the engine keeps the car running. This isn't just an engine, it's a blueprint for the future of mobility. The Gamarra hypercar takes this technology to its limits. 3 electric motors, 1 front to rear, combined with the dark matter engine, deliver thousands of horsepower, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2 seconds, top speed over 400 kilometers per hour, electric-only range 50 to 60 kilometers, total hybrid range over 1,000 kilometers, 4-seater design, luxury interiors, AI-assisted safety, and futuristic aesthetics. Everyday usability without compromising hypercar performance. It's fast, smart, and practical, a hybrid hypercar built for the real world. Engineering brilliance. Koenigsegg achieved this through advanced materials, lightweight carbon fiber, and high-grade alloys. Optimize combustion, cylinder configuration, and fuel management, maximize power. AI-driven engine management, real-time adjustments, maintain peak efficiency. Perfect hybrid integration. Engine and electric motors operate seamlessly. The power-to-weight ratio is unmatched, proving that small engines can deliver enormous power without compromise. Global impact. The dark matter engine is more than a novelty, it's a wake-up call. Tesla may need to rethink its EV-only strategy. BYD could face pressure to expand beyond batteries. Toyota and Honda get confirmation that hybrids are the future. European and American markets are ready for high-performance, practical hybrids. It also addresses charging challenges. Long trips no longer mean worrying about stations or battery life. Hybrid technology bridges the gap between convenience, performance, and sustainability. The hybrid Revolution EVs offer smooth, quiet driving, but they have limits: range, charging, and environmental impact. The dark matter hybrid solves these problems while delivering thrilling performance and a balanced driving experience. It's not just an engine, it's a new direction for the industry, proving that the future doesn't have to be one. Batteries plus engines can create a sustainable, long-lasting, and exciting path forward. This means that if you drive this car at full throttle on the highway, you'll see everything in sight in the blink of an eye. But the JRA isn't just fast, it's also smart. The biggest challenges for EVs are range and charging. However, the JRA's hybrid setup puts it in a completely different league. Its electric range alone is around 50 to 60 kilometers, meaning you can run it solely on EV mode if you wish. And when it comes to long distances, the dark matter engine provides backup. This combination brings its total range to over 1,000 kilometers. This means you can travel for very long distances without frequent charging or refueling. This is what makes the JRA not just a hypercar, but practical for all types of travel. Now, let's get to its features. Hypercars are often designed for just two people, but the JRA is a four-seater hypercar. This means you can enjoy the same performance that was previously considered limited to the racetrack. Even while sitting with your family or friends, it features large seats for comfort, a high-tech infotainment system, and every touch of luxury a super premium car should have. In terms of design, the JRA resembles a car from the future. Its doors open upwards, giving the car an even more futuristic look. Carbon fiber and high-quality materials have been used inside to minimize weight and maximize strength. Its aerodynamic design ensures stability even at high speeds. The JRA is also exceptional in terms of safety. Maintaining control in such a high-speed car is difficult. So, it features an advanced braking system, smart traction control, and AI-based driving assist features. This means the car not only drives fast, but also keeps you safe. Another major plus point of the Gamarra is its practical approach. Most hypercars are limited to show-off and racks, but the JRA is designed to be driven in everyday life. It has trunk space, can comfortably seat for people, and is easy to travel long distances. This combination of dark matter engines and electric motors not only provides power, but sets a new standard for what cars can be in the future. This car shows that combining EVs and conventional engines, if done correctly, can be far superior to a single-sided solution. Engineering innovation. Shocking the industry, Koenigsegg has always created vehicles that leave people wondering, how is this possible? And their new dark matter engine is further proof of this philosophy. This engine is not only small and light, but also so powerful that it has stunned the auto industry. Now the question is, what did Koenigsegg do to achieve such a high output from such a small engine? Let's understand it simply. Typically, if you need more power, you need a bigger engine. This is the logic that car companies have followed. But Koenigsegg broke this thinking. The dark matter engine is extremely compact and lightweight, making it easy to fit into a car. The direct benefit of a lightweight engine is that the overall weight of the car is reduced, and as the weight of the car decreases, its speed and efficiency automatically increase. This means more power with less energy. This is the first amazing thing. Now comes the real story. How is such output achieved? Koenigsegg's unique engineering technology is behind this. This engine has been designed to minimize energy loss. In conventional engines, a significant amount of power is wasted due to friction and heat loss. However, the dark matter engine significantly reduces friction and improves heat management to ensure maximum energy is converted into power. This is why this engine delivers super output for its size. Koenigsegg has used advanced materials. These lightweight yet strong materials make it durable and efficient. Materials like carbon fiber and high-grade alloys were used to keep the engine's weight low without compromising power and durability. This is why the dark matter engine, despite its small size, is extremely robust and capable of delivering high performance. Another major innovation is its design. In conventional engines, the number and arrangement of cylinders determine power. However, Koenigsegg designed the cylinder configuration to optimize air and fuel flow, maximizing power from every drop of fuel. This highly efficient burning process is the heart of the dark matter engine. This is why, despite its small size, its output is no less than that of a larger engine. The engine's smartness is also noteworthy. It features sensors and an AI-based management system that continuously monitors engine performance. If excessive heat is being generated, cooling is immediately adjusted. If fuel flow is disrupted, the system corrects it. This real-time adjustment has made the dark matter engine even smarter. Koenigsegg has also specifically designed it to balance the engine with electric motors. The synergy between the engine and motors is so perfect that you don't even know when the engine is working and when the electric motor is. This seamless transition sets the JRA apart from other hybrid cars. Another special feature is the engine's power-to-weight ratio. This means how much power the engine delivers compared to its weight. The dark matter engine's power-to-weight ratio is so impressive that it exposes the industry's largest engines. No one had ever imagined such power in such a lightweight environment. What has surprised the industry the most is that Koenigsegg has done all this without any compromise. Usually, when you make an engine smaller and lighter, its power or durability decreases. But this is not the case with the dark matter engine. Here, power is maintained, efficiency is also maintained, and the technology is so advanced that this engine could change the roadmap for years to come. Impact on the global market. Regarding its impact on the global market, Koenigsegg's dark matter engine isn't just a new technology, but a wake-up call for the global auto industry. Until now, major global companies like Tesla, BYD, Toyota, and Volkswagen were betting solely on EVs, or electric vehicles. They believed the future belonged solely to batteries and electric motors. However, Koenigsegg has shaken this perception with the dark matter engine. They've proven that the game isn't just one-sided, but can be played in multiple ways. This is why a debate has now erupted in the global market about whether an EV future will truly endure. Let's first consider the impact on Tesla. Elon Musk's entire business model is based on EVs. Tesla's greatest strength is its EV-only vision. But with the introduction of the dark matter engine, people are now questioning whether hybrids or new types of engines have a future alongside EVs. If the answer is yes, Tesla will have to change its strategy. This is a matter of concern for Tesla, as, until now, they haven't focused on hybrid or engine technology. Then comes BYD, which has become the world's largest EV manufacturer. Business is also based on batteries and EVs. BYD has already surpassed Tesla in the Chinese market. But Koenigsegg's new approach will put pressure on BYD to move beyond just EVs. If the world starts adopting hybrid engines like dark matter, BYD will also have to make major changes to its product line. Companies like Toyota and Honda were already working on hybrid vehicles. For them, this Koenigsegg engine is in a sense confirmation that their chosen path wasn't entirely wrong. Toyota is already focusing on hybrid synergy. The success of the dark matter engine could prove that hybrid technology has an even stronger future. This will give Japanese companies renewed confidence in the global market. In Europe, Tesla and Volkswagen are trying to advance in the EV race. However, Europeans are known for their love of technology and innovation. If Koig's dark matter engine delivers impressive performance and efficiency, the European market could be ready to adopt it immediately. Its impact, especially in the luxury and sports car segments, will be significant. The US market will also be untouched. EVs have been seen as the key to a green future. But American customers want both power and range. If the dark matter engine delivers both, American car enthusiasts will readily embrace it. This will put pressure on companies like Ford, GM, and Tesla to also introduce similar technology globally. This will have an impact on another major issue: charging infrastructure. The biggest challenge for EVs is that charging stations are not available everywhere. But if engines like dark matter become available, people will have an option without the worry of battery drain. This will also impact the policies of countries with EV plans. Governments will consider whether it's right to invest solely in EVs or whether hybrid technology should also be promoted. Market analysts believe that Koenigsegg's dark matter engine will act as a trigger in the future. This means that even though Koenigsegg's cars are limited to the luxury and high-end segments, their technology will pave the way for other companies, perhaps Tesla, BYD, or other companies will also try to develop similar engines in the coming years. From a customer perspective, people around the world are seeking smarter and more practical options. They want vehicles that don't worry about range, are easy to charge, and offer performance. The dark matter engine's hybrid concept offers exactly that. Therefore, its response in the global market is likely to be positive. This will force the global auto industry to rethink. The story of an heavenly future which has been underway until now has now been given a new chapter. This chapter is called the hybrid revolution. The coming years will remain to be seen how much of a challenge this revolution poses for EV companies and how it shifts the direction of the global market. If we look at today's car industry, EVs or electric vehicles have become the biggest trend. Tesla, BYD, and many other companies are claiming that the future will be entirely battery-based.